All right, so here's my 2013 Land Cruiser 200 series. I am swapping out the old seats, the original seats, from a LX570. Also happens to be a 2013, same color, everything. I've done a lot of research on this. I saw these online on eBay from a salvage yard, and overall they're in pretty good condition, but everything underneath is pretty much exactly the same. It looks like it's just the coverings and the leather that is, everything is, there's some subtle differences here, but for the most part, they're exactly the same seats. These come with some screens on the back. Have no idea whether they're going to light up or not. If all the electronics are compatible, it's, if it's really just a difference of Lexus adding these at the end of the day and they're going to fire up with the sound system or not. Frankly, I don't really care if they work or not. I just want some comfortable seats because mine have gotten a little hard to sit on after a while. I don't know if it's just age or if that's how they were originally, but these Lexus seats are a lot more comfortable, so we'll see what happens. About to swap out the first one, got all the electronics disconnected, loosened up, and we're gonna swap it out. All right, got the first seat in, clips match and everything. These are exactly the same chairs with the exception of some padding and leather so far. Although the audio system did not automatically connect to these TVs, so it is a separate programming issue. I was hoping it would just fire up, but no big deal. All right, this is the Land Cruiser front passenger seat. This is the LX570 front passenger seat. As you can see, they're pretty similar. One's scooted forward a little bit further. But if you look on the bottom here, the Land Cruiser versus the LX570, there's a lot more internal components and padding and whatnot, which I'm not sure what it's for other than the AV. Definitely something more going on. I don't know if these have like built-in massagers or something. I'll have to look it up. So in the end, the seats are really comfortable. Definitely makes a big difference, especially on long trips. I doubt I'll get the screens active, but I may look into it to see what the cost is, because there is an extra portal under the seat that must be for those lights, because everything else in the seats work. It's fully compatible with the Land Cruiser. The LX70 seats are. So I do have one red indicator light for the airbag that is embedded in the seat itself. It must be a side airbag. It's right next to the tachometer, so I'll have to get that checked out. But all the other airbags still work and are actuated with the seat belts. Thanks for watching.